Okie dokie tubes, this is a how to do an oil change on a diesel motor. And you'll need a couple things. You'll need your oil. That's heavy duty diesel oil. And I'm just too lazy and I couldn't find my other one, so I just found this one. Then you'll need Motorcraft. Make sure it's Motorcraft. Don't get anything else but Motorcraft. They're high, but this is the kind you're supposed to get. And my oil pan is full, so I'm just using a regular oil bucket. Now, the fun part is, you now hear that. No, you can't take this apart and all this apart. Just loosen this first. And we'll go ahead and do that. And watch the oil fly everywhere. And make sure y'all got some work pants on here. Or work clothes, what do you want to call it. And we'll attempt to take this off. If I can get my thing big enough. Oops, I don't think I want to look at the ground. I'll put you right here now. Right here. I know you can't see it. Hold on for a second. I'll get this on there. Can't see what I'm doing. Look at that screen now. Anyway. Ouchie! Just don't do that though. It slipped off. And yeah, I hit myself. But oh well. I got blood under my skin now, but oh well. Let's see if we can find a wrench over here. Yeah, it's just blood under the skin. Ain't nothing to worry about. I don't have my keys to the shop, so it's kind of hard to get some stuff done around here. But we'll get it going here, though. Just taste a few times, and we'll get it going. Don't worry, be happy. Let's see here. There we go. That's what we need. I know you're probably saying, weak one. No, this thing's on here to stay on here. I put it on it last. I think I did anyway. There we go. Okie dokie. And what you do not want to do is lose this in there. I've done that plenty of times. Let's just say it's not easy to get back out. And remember, if you got a bucket, you're going to use it. Don't use the bucket to get the oil out, cause you will ruin it. That's what I'm using this one for. It's gonna be my oil bucket. I got like 30 million of them, but still. And it's gonna be kind of hard on this. But we'll find out though, won't we? Why is it so hard to get out of there? Good night. Shouldn't be that hard to get out. Well, that's just lovely. Aha! Let's put it on this other hand. I'm pushing it because I don't want to get no oil on me. That's some nasty oil. Whew-wee. Smell the diesel on that boy. Yep, it's time to change out, ain't it? God damn mighty. Yeah, bushy black a little bit. Yeah. And I'll show you another way to do it too. This right here is where you put the oil in. Just take it out. It gets air. And it should flow out a little bit better. You can always take your dipstick out also. It'll help a little bit. And then the fun part is taking that thing off. Ouchie. And let's stick you over here for a second. Take this new Motorcraft filter out. Purdy. Yeah, sorry. Now, this frame is the only thing I had on here, and it's going to probably be tight. What in the world? That barely on there. Holy! Look at it. Drip everywhere. There's oil in it, but it ain't coming out hardly. That don't sound too good. Oh, all over the freaking thing. Let's go ahead and look at it. I can't see in there. Can y'all? Right, no. There she goes. It's a piece of crap anyway. This is. I don't know why I never put a frame on that for, because it's the worst thing you could ever do to a truck. I mean, to a motor, to put frame on it. What the devil was I thinking? Anyway, let's put you right here for a second. Put some lube on this thing. Yeah, lube. And if you, I know they don't say to do it, but put it around the little thing. And yes, I just wiped it with a little oil I had on my finger. I just wiped it off. Ain't worried. That's what I wash this for. And let's see here. We just got a good tight on there. Oh yeah. Right here for a second. I don't think you can see it, but I will. There you go. We better do her. And I guess we'll go ahead and put this little doobie back on. I have to remove the bucket, of course, because I don't want my thing to go down in there. Oh, you can quit jimping now. And of course I got all over my finger. Let's see. Must have a little strip spot in it or something, because I tell you when I try to put it off again, it wouldn't go on there too good. Okay, okay. This one, oh, there it is. Oil time. Let's see if I can put you over here. Let's see here. Excuse me. Good thing. Let's see, can you see this? It barely can. Hold on, I'll zoom you in. Whoops. Might have to get the oil off the finger. There you go. Now you can see it. You put the oil right here. We'll put so much in it, then we'll take it out. Whoa! And yes, you may need a funnel, like I need. My old grandpa's funnel. Let's see here. Let's go ahead and give her some lube. And yes, it will be slow going in because it's much thicker oil. A lot thicker. It's just now going down, halfway down. We'll put this down and then go back and check it. Then we'll run it. Okay. Go right here and check it now. I know it just had went down, but we'll go over here and check it anyway. Let's see, get it in there, and there you go. We'll wait a few minutes, let it do its cycle. And then when you get it done, you'll need to crank it up. And it might help if I zoom out a little bit so it don't make it blurry. So we'll go ahead and put the key in there. And then we'll look at her. Oh, I ain't went down there yet. Still waiting a little bit. Getting all over my camera. Dadgummit. And we'll look at everything. Uh-oh. Police. The police-o. And wait just a few more minutes. This is what takes the longest time. But you gotta wait till all the oil and all that rubbish goes down. You're supposed to warm it up first, but I didn't do it because I didn't know how much oil I had in it. So I know I was supposed to check it, but I didn't. So yeah. Whoa! I don't think it's done it yet. Lot's going somewhere. I still hear the siren. And if you look at my shirt, I don't know if you can see it or not. Yep, I'm a Ford man. Let's get around here. I didn't think that was crawling. I thought that was a black widow. Okay, you need to get right there out of my way. Okay, I guess we'll go ahead and put the rest in this. Let's see. See how many quarts is in this thing. 1 gallon. 5 quarts. So we'll go ahead and I just put just a little bit more in and not much more. And then we'll see what goes on after this. So let's go ahead and put the cap back on there. Cause there's bees flying everywhere. I don't want to get in there. It's gonna pop off. There you go. Take the oil again. I don't even see it on the dipstick yet. Oh, there it goes. I see it now. This is barely coming up. So anyway, tubes, that's how you change your oil. And make sure if you working on a Ford, make sure you get Motorcraft. You don't get no Fram crap. Anyway, that's how you change your oil.